Think about all the logos you see every day. How many of them do you really remember? The best logos stick in your mind with just one glance. That's the power of a great logo. It becomes the face of your brand. But designing a logo that represents your business perfectly can seem challenging, and you might think you need to spend a fortune hiring a professional. Not anymore. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a memorable logo for free using a super simple AI tool. Follow along, and by the end, you'll have a logo that looks like you hired a designer for thousands of dollars. Step 1. Visit Luca website. Start by going to luca.com. This AI tool is completely free to use, and you don't need to sign up to get started. Once you're on the home page, click Get Started to begin creating your logo. Step 2. Enter your business name. Once you're in, the first thing Luca asks is for your business name. Type in the name of your brand and click Continue. You can also add a slogan, but that's optional. Step 3. Choose your industry. Next, Luca will ask you to select your industry. This helps the AI generate logos that are relevant to your business. Pick the one that fits your brand, whether it's fashion, food, technology, or any other category. Step 4. Pick your logo style. Now comes the fun part. Luca will show you different logo styles, such as modern, minimal, or bold. Pick the style that fits your brand's personality and click Continue. Step 5. Customize your logo. Now you can make the logo truly yours. You can change the color, font, and layout. Play around with the settings until you're happy with how it looks. Step 6. Download your logo. Once you're satisfied with your logo, click Download. Luca will offer a free version of the logo that you can use. Perfect for starting your brand. And that's it. You've just created a logo using Luca, all for free. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.